Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we're going to look at how you can unlock advanced reporting with Sage Intacct. Next slide, please. Today, we're diving into Sage Intacct's custom advanced reporting feature. But before we start doing that, let's take a brief overview of Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is a comprehensive financial management solution that revolutionizes how you handle your business's finances. Sage Intacct streamlines every aspect of your financial operations from accounting to budgeting and forecasting. Next slide, please. Sage Intacct is more than just a standard financial management solution. It's a cloud-based platform that enables you to access financial data and tools from anywhere. This promotes collaboration, flexibility, and real-time data connectivity, giving you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business environment. Next slide, please. Custom reports are the backbone of Sage Intacct's advanced reporting. These reports empower you to tailor your financial insights to your unique business needs. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking expenses, or monitoring cash flow, custom reports provide the flexibility and the precision that you need to make informed decisions. Let's explore some of the key benefits of leveraging custom reports in Sage Intacct. Tailored insights give you custom reports that allows you to focus on specific metrics, KPIs that matter most to your business. Whether you're a CFO, financial manager, or department head, custom reports provide insight for you to drive strategic decisions. Enhanced visibility gives you the custom report highlights, trends, and areas for improvement, allows you to gain a deeper understanding of your financial performance. With Sage Intacct, you'll always have a clear view of your organizational financials health. Improve efficiency, so you'll say goodbye to manual data manipulation and spreadsheet headaches. And Sage Intacct's custom reports can automate repetitive tasks, save time, and reduce errors. Spend less time crunching numbers and more time analyzing insights. You'll have real-time data connectivity. Access to the real-time data is crucial in today's fast-paced business world. Sage Intacct customizes reports, provides seamless connectivity to live financial data, ensuring you always work with the most up-to-date information. Next slide, please. Now let's dive into a live demo of creating custom reports in Sage Intacct. I'll walk you through the process step by step, showcasing the flexibility and the power of Sage Intacct's reporting capability. The advanced reporting interactive custom reports, we can look up drill down reports. So we can go into any AR, create an AR custom report for an aging and actually be able to drill all the way down into the invoice. Order entries, you'll be able to look at the timing of an actual report and having prompts as well. So we are going to look at the AP bills with prompts. Next slide, please. And let's go ahead and jump into the demo. So I actually already went into the custom report. So I wanted to go back and we'll just go into main and we'll be able to show exactly how. We'll come into applications and then we can go into reports. And there is this functionality, it's interactive custom reports. And this is also where you'd be able to, if you have the capability and the rights within Sage Intacct, you'll be able to actually customize your own report. So I'm going to give you a peek into the back end of it a little bit, so that way you can see exactly what it does look like. It does take a little bit to load because, of course, it is a back end of building a report. But I did want to give you an insight of what it does look on the back end. As it loads, I wanted to show you, I actually already opened up the prompts for the AP bills. So what I did was when I built this, we had it filter. So you can make some of these different items required. So you can do it filtered by due dates or periods. So that way you can actually have your range of things that you would like if you want to look for a specific period, you could do current month, or if you want to look for a specific due date and say, I want to see what's due on this day. And then you can also check the available, check paid status, partially paid, posted, selected, submitted. And this is all in accounts payable. So it's all from the accounts payable aging report. And then we'll also, I added in location just in case you do have multiple locations. You'd also be able to find the report as multiple locations as well. So, and this is what it kind of looks on the back end. It's very technical on the back end, but it's very user friendly because everything is a drop down and it's a drillable report. So when you're building something like this, or if you are reaching out to a partner to help them, have them help you build it, you'll be able to have different dimensions, measurements. You can do it by time allocation as well. And I just wanted to give you what it looks like on the back end. So let's go ahead and come back over here. And let's look at some invoices. Now, remember, if you've seen from some of our other webinars, we are a little behind in the demo, so it does go to 2019, but that's okay because we're going to go up to current date. Why not? And then we just want to look at all of the invoices that have been posted. So we're going to tell it to posted ones, and then we can view it. And this is just like any other report. If you attended our report webinar or you'd like to watch it, it's on our website. And what it'll do, the nice thing is we can always store, just like we were on any other report, email it out, add it to the dashboard. You have a lot of different options when it comes to these. So we were able to pull all of the invoices that were within that date range that we did that are posted but not paid. So it'll show you the state, so they're all posted, what the amount is, how much has been paid, and the due date, and all of the information. It also has the day, how many days it's been past due, and any memos that are within here as well. So you'll be able to go in and actually look at these. So that's one of the reports. Let me come out of here. And now we're going to go into the drill down for the AP or AR, excuse me. And we're just going to tell it to view all, and we're going to run the reports. And sometimes it will take a little bit, but it will tell you. So the way that we have this one set up, it has our customer ID number, our vendor name, what the transaction currency is, how past due it is. Of course, most of our stuff is over 90 days. The nice thing about this is when you hover over here, anything on Sage Intacct that is blue has a hyperlink. So the way that I set up this report was we could actually click on it. And then once it wants to open up, it'll actually open up that invoice. And so it opens it up in a new window, which is very nice because then you can always go back to anything else. And what it'll do is it'll open up the whole entire invoice. So you'll be able to see this is the invoice date, due date, how long it's overdue, type, all of that information is here as well. And it'll give you the coding when you come down to the bottom. And then if you do have any notes, files, links, or any of those items, they're also down here below. And the nice thing is also, because these are hyperlinks, you'll be able to click on that and be able to go all the way down. So say your person who's doing collections to follow up on all of these items, it'll have the primary contact. You can actually look and see the name, phone number, all of that information, as long as you have it entered into the system. So this is very helpful when you're trying to pull a report, making sure that any of the collection calls that you need to do for past due invoices are on here. So and you can print it, email, edit it, post. You can do a lot of different things within this screen. And it's on all of the invoices all the way down. The way that I built it was no matter what invoice it was, it would just pull it up and we'll be able to click on the link and it'll be able to pull it up for us. And as you see, it does have different currencies as well, because we do have different currencies in our test environment. So now let's look at, so one that I built for tables. I'm gonna say you. And this one will actually give us, our date range. Hold on. Sorry about that. I have my date range a little off. So we're just going to go all the way to today's date or the end of last year. That works. And then the way that we have this one set up is I had it set up to where you can actually look at the warehouse, because some people do have different warehouse IDs. So you'll be able to say, okay, at this warehouse, the inventory for the servers have made this much in sales, the percent of the sales, and the percent of quantity, and then also laptops. So you can see 2 were sold. This is the sales. And this one is just total sales for 2019. This one below is actually by the quarter. So we'll be able to say on the 4th quarter, this is how many were sold. And then this was how many were sold as well. So this gives you an insight of being able to say, okay, this quarter, this is what we were able to do. This is our overall look for the year. You can customize it however you need it to with the time frames. And then of course, like always, you can email it, process and store, which will save the dates, and then add it to your dashboard, memorize it so that way it remembers all of your filters. It's completely up to you on how you want to do this. So that's a little insight into how we can do different reports for you, for your needs, for your business. And it gives you a lot of control when you're customizing these and saying that you need to have a specific look at different items. I want to thank all of you for joining us today and exploring the power of custom advanced reporting with Sage Intacct. We hope that you're excited as much as we are to be able to look at new insights and drive your business forward. If you want to learn more or schedule a personalized demo, please reach out to Jessica. She's our amazing customer service manager. And you can also visit our website and connect with us on LinkedIn.